Hi sunshine, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's start in child's pose. Big toes are touching, knees are far apart. Relax your forehead down onto the mat. Can you reach your fingers forward a little bit more? Take a big inhale in through your nose and let it out. Come into your tabletop position on your hands and knees. Cow pose, arch your back as you look up at the ceiling. Cat pose, tuck your chin in towards your chest and round your spine. Come back to your cow pose and cat pose. Now start to take some hip circles or some organic movement. Just moving in a way that feels good to you. Try not to think about it. Allow your body to be free in this moment. Back to your neutral tabletop. Reach your right arm up towards the ceiling and take some circles with your hand. Switch the direction of your hand circles. Thread the needle, sending your right arm behind your left wrist and lower down onto your right shoulder. You have the option to reach your left arm forward for a deeper stretch. We bring our left hand next to our face and reach that right arm all the way up. Reach behind you and lower the hand down. Reach your left arm up towards the ceiling and take some circles with your hand. Switch directions. Thread the needle, sending your left arm behind the right wrist, and you have the option to reach that right arm forward. Bring your hand back towards your face as you reach your left arm all the way up. Reach behind you and down. Curl your toes under, send your hips up and back for your first down dog of the day. Shake your legs out, just bending and straightening. Now straighten both legs and begin to shake your head yes and no. Look forward. Step to the top of your mat for ragdoll pose, opening your legs a little bit wider and grabbing onto opposite elbows. You can sway gently from side to side as you relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Clasp your hands behind your low back and begin to straighten your arms, stretching out your shoulders. Release your hands back down to the mat. Close your legs together. Halfway lift, hands to shins. Forward fold. Again, halfway lift, your back is flat. High plank, plant your palms as you step your feet back. You always have the option to lower down onto the knees. You can do it. Just hold here for a few more seconds. Let's all lower down to our knees now. And slowly down onto the belly. Clasp your hands behind you for locust pose as you lift your legs and your chest, squeezing everything together. Lower down. Coming into your upward facing dog, placing your hands next to your ribs and straightening the arms. And we lower down. You can place your right hand underneath your chin. Reach your left arm behind you, grabbing onto the left foot. This is just going to stretch the front of your left thigh. Switch sides. And relax. Now we are going into our full bow pulling pose. You are going to bend both knees and you can grab the outsides of your feet. You can stay down or you start to kick your feet up towards the ceiling, lifting your chest, lifting the legs. And lower down. Great job. So proud of you for doing that. Let's come into a quick child's pose. Come back to your tabletop. Extend your right leg behind you. Point the toe. Now pull your right knee towards the right elbow. Again, extend your right leg behind you. Right knee, right elbow. Extend your leg behind you as you step your foot forward, coming into a low lunge. Half splits, straighten your front leg as you shift your hips back, and let's flex that front foot. Come back to your tabletop. Let's do that on the other side. Extend your left leg behind you now. Left knee, left elbow. Extend the leg. Left knee, left elbow. Extend the leg again. And now you step your foot forward for low lunge. Half splits. And we come back into our tabletop and downward facing dog. Look forward, step to the top of your mat, halfway lift, forward fold. Chair pose, sit your hips low, reach the arms up. Mountain pose, straighten the legs, and hands come to heart center. Take a big inhale in through your nose and out through your mouth. You made it to the end of class, so remember to leave a sun emoji in the comments to check in. Thank you so much for flowing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.